Welcome to the Midwest Natural Garden. Today we are featuring a combination that will thrive in the hot, dry conditions of our Midwest summer months. These plants are low maintenance, pollinator friendly, and attractive in the landscape. Grasses form a desirable and attractive base to any native garden design. Not only do they assist with weed control, they also provide cover for native fauna. In this combo, we use Bouteloua curtipendula or Sideoats Grama. The common name comes from its oat-like seed heads that form after it blooms. The purple and bright orange flowers are quite attractive for a grass and appear in the late summer months. Sideoats Grama is also a larval host plant for multiple skipper butterflies and moths. Coreopsis palmata, or Prairie Coreopsis, is a compact, well-behaved native plant that blooms in the summer months. While its bloom time only lasts a month, over 20 native bees depend on it for honey production. The plant will spread by rhizomes and seed, but it's not aggressive. It will form a nice, dense colony where it is planted. Prairie Coreopsis also adds some interest in the fall. Its foliage turns burgundy red as the temperatures cool. The last plant in our combination has the boldest texture. Parthenium integrifolium, or Wild Quinine, has large, bold foliage that stands out against the fine textures of Bouteloua and Coreopsis. The flower spikes can reach 3 to 4 feet tall and are very sturdy. You don't see much flopping with this plant. Flowers persist for about 8 weeks during the summer months and are favored by many native beetles and beneficial wasps. Not only is this combination drought tolerant, it also does well in poor soil conditions. Plant in a full sun location for the best performance. Designing with native plants doesn't have to be complicated. These 3 plants are attractive when planted together, offering color and interesting textures in the garden. They are also powerhouse plants when it comes to supporting a wide variety of native flora and fauna in Illinois and the greater Midwest. Have a sunny, dry location? Try them together or try integrating one in your next planting design